Okay, I ran out of time on the last video. This is Centroid lesson number 3, and it's a wrap-up of Centroid for rectangular shapes. And we filled in our data of all of the information that we needed. We took the y values for each of these shapes and put them in here. We took the areas and we put them in here. We said the width times the height. And then we multiplied this times that and came up with that. Once we got the third column done, we could do the bottom row here. And what it is 1200 plus 300. You do the sum of all of the areas here. And that came out to 1500 this time. And this one is YI, so it's whatever this times that was here. And now you're going to sum this column up. 36,000 plus 9,000 is 45,000. So you have these two numbers here. These two numbers are important to calculating this formula. This says the sum of column AIYI is this number. And this one says divided by the sum of AI, which is this number. So I've got this little index card here kind of covering up the answer. So you got 45,000 divided by 1500, and the answer is 30. Well, that makes perfect sense, because if you look at our shape, both of our y values, this one was set at 30 here, and this y value was set at 30 here. So you know the answer is going to be somewhere in between the centroid of this one and the centroid of that one. It's just a question of how far in the middle is it? Where in the middle does it go? So we're going to calculate that next. The x values do the same thing. You sum up this column, and you still get 1500 again. You sum up this column, and in this case you get 22,500. So if I move my little index card out of the way, I get 10,500. That's not correct, is it? Hang on just a second. Okay, correction made. It is 22,500 here, divided by 1,500. So it's this one always divided by that one. And this gives us the x value for our answer of 15. And that makes good sense too. We said we did an eyeball judge of where we thought it was going to be, and we said it was going to be somewhere right in here. So it is 15 off of the x line, and it is 30 off of the y line, and right in here is where our centroid would be. So I hope this has helped you. In the next lesson, we're going to be looking at how to deal with a centroid related to triangles. And we're going to be we'll do a couple of lessons about the triangles, because your triangles could be in different shapes or different positions. So they're a little more complicated, but if you get the basics of this, then you can move on to the next one. I would practice doing a couple of these and see if you could solve them. I will put on, in the future, I'll put a couple of problems on the website so that you'll have something to work with. In the meantime, good luck and do some practice on your own.